Hi everyone, today I will talk about how to install WordPress on the ByteHost. ByteHost is a website hosting website. So first we will create a free hosting account. So we click here, sign up for free hosting. Then we fill this and press register. In this subdomain name, for example, if you enter echain, then it will create a URL like echain.bytehost.com. Okay, it's your domain name of your website. And then we will download the WordPress. So we go to Google website and type WordPress download. Then down here, click here, download WordPress, and then click this blue button, download WordPress. After you download it, it's a zip file, so we need to unzip. After we unzip the WordPress, it output a file like this. It's a folder, WordPress folder, and open it. It looks like this. Okay. The next thing we need to do is to connect to the ByteHost FTP in order to upload our WordPress to the FTP server. So we need to download the FTP software. So for example, I'm using FileZilla here. So we need to download FileZilla. It's the same. Go to Google and type FileZilla. Then click here, download FileZilla client. After you download it, it's open look like this. And there are 3 fields you need to input. The host, the username, the password. Okay. And one thing to remember, after you register the ByteHost, it will send you an email check mail to your email. So you need to go to your email, then check for the email ByteHost sent to you. And ByteHost has sent me an email. You will click on a link, and it will, after maybe 30 seconds, it will output your account information. So you should copy all the information to maybe somewhere else to make sure you remember your account information. So my account information is like this. Okay, so you can copy your website URL and go to here. You will see a default web page that ByteHost provide for you. Okay, so we're using FileZilla to upload our WordPress instead the default web page. So the host, we will see the account information to see the FTP hostname here. So we copy this to this, and then the username, we copy this username to this. Then the password is sent as the ByteNet host. When we registered the sign up, we will fill a password field. It's the same. So just input your password here, and you click connect. After you connect, if it was success, you will see a field, something like that, and you double click on the HT docs. It's important for you upload file. You need to go into this folder and upload the WordPress here. Okay, so after we download WordPress and unzip it, it will here. So we need to copy all of this to our here. So just drag and drop. Okay, and wait it for a second. And while you are wait for the upload process, you can go to the cPanel to create a database. How to create a database? So we go to here. No, first we need to go to the byte host cPanel. It's byte host provide to us. So copy this cpanel.com. Then you will see a login. So just enter this panel username and the password. Okay, press enter. And then you enter the cPanel and click MySQL database. Then it will open up a tab. Look like this. So you can just click anything you want. If I click WP and click create database, it will create a database name like this. So okay, one thing to remember, because WordPress need to use in MySQL database, so we need to set up the WordPress config.php. So first you might think WP config like sample.php, something like that. So you just change the name to WP config.php, and then you open up in every editor that you like. So I open it, and you need to type the database information. So for me, the information is the MySQL database name. You copy this to here, DB name, and the DB user is here to here, and the password is same as the password of by host, and the DB host is here. So just copy it to here. Okay. Then after you edit, you just upload again. So you just drag it to here. Okay. After you have successfully upload all the content to here in your virtual host computer, and then you can go to the URL here. Copy this to this. Okay. And you might see a WordPress account setting page. After you set up your account, you are totally fine, and you will see WordPress like this. Okay, so last thing we need to do is install the WooCommerce plugin. It provides us a shopping cart like website. Okay, so we just click here, control panel, and then click here, install plugin, and then in this search plugin field we type WooCommerce, and then here we install it. Okay, after you install it, you can go through some WooCommerce basic setup. When you set up successfully, you just go to your website again, you will see something like this. You click shop, and it's our simple item. You can click add into shopping cart, something like that, and check for shopping cart. Yeah, okay. So it's the WordPress WooCommerce tutorial. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.